Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is regarding the CSIR NET exam update. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you all the latest information as posted by the CSIR itself on their Twitter handle. So if we look into the official notification that has been uploaded, it says that the date of the conduct of the CSIR NET exam shall be finalized when the pandemic situation stabilizes and communicated on the CSIR HRDG website. That means that till now the date is not finalized, and only after the pandemic situation of the COVID stabilizes, the date would be finalized by the CSIR. They would be uploading the final date of the examination on their website. So if we remember about the last update which was given by the HRD, it said in July that was posted, and the notification was that it would be giving 2 months prior notice before the conduct of the examination. But today we have got the information that the date would be given only after the pandemic situation stabilizes. So now the main important point is, one thing we have to remember is that we need not to lose our hopes that when the exam would happen. Reason being, we do not know about the COVID situation as and when it could flourish, or what would be the future perspective for the same. At this particular point, what we can do is we can just hold on our patience and we can just wait for the final examination date. This was a notification given by the CSIR itself on their Twitter handle a few hours ago. So I just wanted to update you all with this particular information. The only thing that you could do at this particular time is wait, and also instead of wasting your time in just waiting for the date, I would recommend you that try to brush up your skills, try to remember, try to recall, try to revise, and try to practice as much as you can, because we never know what the pandemic situation would be after 1 month. That is the reason maybe the CSIR is taking the precaution in advance itself. So do not worry, do not feel disheartened, just revise as much as you can, and also just give your best shot in this particular examination. Just give as many mock tests as possible, and in addition, if you haven't yet completed some units or you were in a hurry to complete some syllabus, take your time and revise properly, take your time and study properly for this particular examination. So this was all I wanted to share in this particular video. I hope this video would be helpful for you. If yes, let me know in the comment sections below, and also please do not feel disheartened. Please just be cheerful and just keep studying, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. Bye everyone, take care.